Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly Chime Credit Builder with direct deposit or not. The Chime Credit Builder card works best with direct deposit, but you can also use it without one. If you set up a qualifying direct